Eagle Bay pavers are designed to withstand the elements in normal use with little to no maintenance. However, a few easy cleaning tasks will keep your pavers looking like new year-round. A yearly cleaning and some preventative maintenance is all it takes to keep your paver system in tip-top shape. There are a few simple rules that you should follow when cleaning your patio to make sure that you don't damage the finish or the paver system itself. All you'll need to clean your paver system is a bucket, a hose, a deck brush, and if you want, a hardscape cleaner like those offered by Techniseal. Generally, you can just rinse your patio off and use your brush for tougher areas. The most important thing about cleaning your paver system is to be extra careful when using a pressure washer. Make sure to use the lower settings, don't get too close with the tip, and work carefully. Take care not to spray between the joints as it may cause shipping in your pavers or could wash out your polymeric sand. If in doubt, hire a professional. Before starting to clean your pavers, confirm whether they've been sealed. Certain cleaners can strip away sealants and damage the pavers. To clean your pavers, start by wetting them with a hose. It's best if you work in 200 square foot areas. That's a little bigger than the size of a car. It'll help to prevent the cleaner from drying before you rinse it. Apply your paver cleaner by following the instructions on the packaging and then rinse it off thoroughly. It's best to rinse the area more than once. Winter weather requires special steps to care for your paver system. If you need to de-ice your pavers, make sure to use a salt-free de-icer. EnviroThaw works great. Lastly, if you need to remove a larger accumulation of snow from your pavers, make sure to use a plastic snow shovel or a snow blower that's at least 1/8 of an inch off the ground. It'll prevent any damage from occurring on a textured paver system. The last thing you can do to help maintain your paver system is applying a sealant. Hardscape sealants protect your pavers from UV rays, stains, and the elements. Sealants come in several finishes including Wet Look, Natural Look, and Color Boost. Make sure to choose a sealant based on how you want your paver system to look after you apply the sealant. To learn more or find a dealer near you, visit eaglebaypavers.com.